Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The monetary policy interest rate is now 2.5%. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ says the Monetary Policy Committee MPC took the decision to add 50 basis points to the rate, which will take effect tomorrow. The monetary policy interest rate is the percentage paid by the BOJ to deposit-taking institutions on deposits held in their current account at the central bank. The MPC says the decision to again increase the rate is in a bid to have inflation return to the BOJ's target range of 4 to 6%. The latest increase brings the rate to its highest since May 2018, which was also 2.5%. The increase of the rate is expected to restrict demand for cash and increase the rate of borrowing in the economy. This decision will be held until February 18, 2022. Still in the financial sector, Sagicor Investments Jamaica is taking Cornerstone Financial Holdings to court in Barbados. Sagicor Investments is making claims against Cornerstone Financial Holdings and its board of directors in connection with two recent rights issues by Cornerstone United Holdings Jamaica. Sagicor Investment is seeking damages from Cornerstone and its directors in excess of $4 million. This is for the issuance of Cornerstone Financial shares valued at more than $6 per share. Now, these were offered at a subscription price of less than $0.01 per share. The issuance was only to its shareholders who participated in a rights issue by its affiliated company Cornerstone United Holdings Jamaica in July 2020. Sagicor Investments Jamaica says it did not participate in the rights issue. Sagicor Investments is also seeking an order to restrain the board of Cornerstone from again issuing shares at the same undervalued subscription price of less than $0.01, only to the band of shareholders who chose to participate in another rights issue in August 2021. Now, a news center tried to reach a representative from Cornerstone for a response. However, up to news time, that was not forthcoming. And of course, we'll continue tracking that story. A date is not yet set for the first court hearing. Now let's head to the currency market. Dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $154.55. $119.60 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $202.75 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $181.93. The JSE index advanced by 423 points today, while the junior market index gained 23 points. Advancing today were 138 Student Living Jamaica, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Dolphin Cove, G West Corporation, and Berger Paints, while on the losing side were Mayberry Investments, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Portland JSX, JMB Group 7.25% shares, and Epley. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Don't go anywhere. Regional and international news are after the break.